So slimy! Whoa! So slimy. It feels so weird, but I like it.
Yeah! I can Like you said, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. So today we're making slime. The way you do this, you get some borax powder, some water, some glue, some food coloring to make your own colors, and 3 balls. Well, we're only doing 3 for one reason, but you only need 2 balls. Right, Superman?
Yeah.
Alright, let's make it. Cool. Now we need 1 bowl of water. Pour the water in there. So cool! Now mix. Good job, buddy. Now you pour the glue in the bowl. Whoa!
You got the glue.
Pour water in there. Whoa! And now we take the glue and pour it with the borax.
Yeah.
Like, you want to try and grab it with your hands?
No.
No. And now you got slime. Whoa! Feels so weird. Mix, 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 mix. Whoa! Slowly add the borax in. No. Keep mixing, Mikey. You gotta knead the slime. Make sure it gets all the color in before you take it out.
I want to take it out.
You want to take it out?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take it out. Whoa. Ugh.
I'm waiting for it.
Hulk smash! Here, Mikey, try.
Hulk smash!
Try it.
Ew!
Squeeze.
Ew!
Yeah.
Ew, squeeze.
Yeah.
Ew. Squeeze.
Ew!
High five. Squeeze.
Ew! Ew! That's so squishy!
Oh. Is that cool? We just made another one that's a yellow one. I think this is our best batch. We let it dry out a little bit longer. Whoa! Oh no, I'm drowning in slime! Hulk smash!
Yeah, cheese.
You push it back together.
Oh no. Oh no. Ew. Gooey Louie has a slimy nose. My Superman, pull out Gooey Louie's nose. Ew, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Superman, good job. Superman, can you pull out some more slime, please? Let's pull it out, kids. Oh my. Ew. Slimy boogers all over my hand. Whoa. I want that.
You want to open the minion first?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up.
Whoa, it's slime inside the minion. Pull it out. Pull it out. Mikey, is there a surprise inside the slime? Pull in the slime and see if there's something inside. Go in the slime and see if something's inside. What is that? Oh no, Gold Thomas.
It's Gold Thomas!
Yeah.
Yeah! So cool. Whoa, so cool.
I'm trying to open inside.
What's inside that?
Oh no.
Slime. There's a surprise inside.
What?
Come on, Superman, you can open it.
Oh no, you first. That's Joe's. That's Joe's. That's Josie.
It's a bulldozer.
A bulldozer. That's my bulldozer. I get an arrow slime.
Oh, the slime is everywhere.
Uh-oh. A Yoda.
Oh.
I'll open that.
Let's open that.
I'll open inside.
It's Spider-Man.
I'll open.
Now let's open the big one, the Paw Patrol egg. Look, there's Chase, our favorite. It's the Hulk! Whoa! Hulk smash! Hulk smash!
I'm trying to open this egg for.
You're excited to open that egg surprise? Yeah.
Bye, Bucket. Bucket, big fly, glide.
And, oh. Mikey, can you show your arms? Open it.
How does Hulk smash go? Smash Spider-Man. Oh, Hulk smash goes smash Spider-Man?